Why has most of the wars in our history been fought in the name of religion?
No, this is not right. Most of the wars in history are not fought in the name of religion at all. For instance, the war between Germany and the rest of the world was not in the name of religion at all. So it was Nazism, their thought, their ideology for which they fought. And similarly, great battles of the world, historical battles and wars were fought without any religious inclination at all. I look at the history of the wars and you'll be surprised to see that religion did not play much role in any war. Only religious defensive war is observed where the crime is on the part of the offenders and innocent people are being attacked just because of their religion. Such wars are very few and far between. So mostly the wars are not religious, they are just secular wars.